today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on more down here. So when you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just scrolling down here into your phone settings, click on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list. So you just click here on notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you here. So like this here, then you click on mobile push notifications. Just scrolling down here until you will find here friend request accepted. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean friend request accepted, enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.